Analytics Funners, we are making the tutorial of different analytical technologies such as Tableau, Python, Alteryx, R, SAS, SQL, VBA and Excel. So if you are interested in any of them, subscribe our channel to get instant notification in your feed.
Now in the Excel, I will implement the text function comparison operator through equal and exact methodology. So we have two texts here, analytics 1 and analytics 1. Right now they both are exactly the same. So if I compare it with equal to sign, equal to analytics 1 equal to analytics 1. Okay, right now they both are same. So if I press enter, the result is true. And if I compare through exact function, so for exact function you'll have to write equal to, then exact bracket, then you can see you have a pop-up which says text 1 and text 2. So the two comparison text you have to enter. So text 1 is this particular text, comma text 2 is this particular text, and you need to close the bracket and press enter. So right now you can see the answer is true for both of them. Now what I'll do, I'll manipulate the J3 cell and I'll replace capital A with small a and capital F with small f and press enter. So as you can see in equal to, like it does not consider cases, it compares only the letters, it treats capital A same as small a, so it returns the answer as true. But in exact, as I've mentioned earlier, they should be exactly the same. So ask the question whether these two strings appear exactly the same. No, they are different in the case. This is proper case, this is lower case, so the answer is false. Okay, now we will do a practical exercise here. So we have one student ID from dataset 1 and student ID from dataset 2. Okay, now we will have to compare these two texts. Okay, so you can use an equal to or exact function here. I'll remove this and do this in practice. Equal to student ID 1 equal to student ID 2. The answer is true because as we can see, they both are matching. ID dash 1862705, ID dash 1862705. Now I will drag it. For dragging, you need to press this small square. Like if you hover over this small square, you'll get this plus symbol. Just double left click on your mouse. Okay, and then like you can see, we have true everywhere, but in one particular cell we have false. Why there is a false here, but the text string is looking exactly the same? So why we have got false here? So let us investigate what is different in these two texts. So if I'll read this text, we have ID 159943. Okay, and if I go to this particular text, we have lot of space here, which is not readable to the human eye. But if I click on it, we can see that there is a lot of space. So we need to cut out this space before the comparison. Okay, and that happens in the real data also. So sometimes you get a lot of white space, so you need to trim that white space before the comparison. So what we will do, we will use a trim function here. We will replace A2 with trim A2. We'll write trim A2. So trim A2 will remove all the white space in the A column, and we'll compare it with the trim B2. Okay, and press enter and we'll drag it down. So as we can see, now we have true here instead of false because these two strings are comparison after trimming this white space. So this is all about text comparison. We have covered the logical operators overview, number comparison operators, text comparison operators, and we have seen it through the practical exercise.
Analytics Funners, we hope that you have enjoyed this video. Support us by clicking on thumbs up icon and subscribe our channel for more such updates. Thank you, Analytics Funner. See you in the next one.